The ever so gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan. Welcome. So good to see you. And साथ में यहाँ पे I'd like to invite on stage someone who's revolutionized the Indian television space, ladies and gentlemen, and of course the movies. And she's been ruling the digital domain as well. Give it up for Ekta R. Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, the producer Sahiba. She's here. We can do better. We can make some more noise, yeah. सीटियां तो बज रही थी मेरे को पता है यहाँ पे. Welcome, welcome, Ekta. So good to see you. Thank you so much. And now, as I said, ये जो भी परोसते हैं बड़े कमाल का परोसते हैं, ladies and gentlemen. इनका काम बड़ा credible होता है और जब जब बड़े पर्दे पे देखते हैं वो incredible बन जाता है. Give it up for the maverick director Hansal Mehta, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. And I would like to congratulate the entire team here. And of course, we have these wonderful people here. Kareena, I'd like to start with you. This is your year. Definitely, this is your year. First, it was Crew, जो कि box office को आपने दी. उसके बाद, of course, the Buckingham Murders, the most awaited project of this year, and now aane wala hai Singham again. So first of all, talk to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think what? Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komalji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि acting मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है. मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती. मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever and ever.
Forever, I'm sure. I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में film बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important. And I'm so happy that in my career graph, I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors. And I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much. And that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kareena Kapoor Khan, of course, the superstar. We did talk about that. But Kareena Kapoor Khan, the producer, talk to us about that.
The producer is here.
Kareena, you have produced this film. Yes.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I produced it by believing in the script.
Yes,
That's what.
The biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they've wanted to make films they believe in. And then they've got billion dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Reese with
so.
a spoon?
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me.
Bigger and better.
We are manifesting awesomeness, ladies and gentlemen, on this stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, of course, for this team.
I also want to add one thing that, I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller, जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप तमिल तेलुगु हिंदी इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually, for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now, what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey that which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great, fun experience of a crime thriller.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ekta, this one's for you as a producer. You've produced and backed some of the most wonderful projects. Of course, we talk about commercial pot boilers. We've seen all of that on the big screen. Here, edge of the seat thriller with this Kamal ki cast and of course the Maverick director. How did this unfold for you? Tell us about that.
So, I mean, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my
Just
words
a
back.
basic understanding of this film. The film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not.
Right.
And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legit Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies
I
and
have to
gentlemen.
say it. This is the numbers that speak, And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. And this is what a film should be. It should be financially viable, credible, and when it releases in the theaters, it is a win-win for everyone. So honestly, this is far more commercial than a lot of my commercial films.
She said it. Ek baar zordar talia, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, for this already super duper hit movie. Moving on to the director, Ansel Mehta Saab. Sir, we've loved your work, anything and everything that you've done. Of course, sub fan hai yahan pe. Working with this team, of course, the producer Sahiba, or should I say, the producer Sahibain, jo dono hai yahan pe. Of course, talk to us about them and this journey of the Buckingham murders.
This film, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta, for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my, I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So, when you go to set and you challenge yourself that, okay, this is not something you have done. I mean, you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I've never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And, many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films. So I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail, because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star, I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas. And she would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look, Acha, Kareena Kapoor, abhi, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it firsthand. Wow. And beyond that, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And I mean, Kareena is one of the best actors we have today. And her stardom just draws you to the screens, but her performances have ensured that 25 years, 50 years, an actor will always be alive. Stardom can, fluctuate, but, your talent will never die. And I mean, she is a absolute powerhouse.
Wow, sir. Wow. The most credible superstar, ladies and gentlemen, Kareena Kapoor Khan and this incredible team. Ek baar zordar taliyan. I'll come to you for your questions, but before that, we'll have a quick photo op with this team, yeah? इसी का इंतजार था ना? हो जाए. Come, we'll quickly do this, okay? We good? We'll do the solos later. Thank you so much. Can we get the mics back, please?